Welcome everybody, it is John, and today I'm from an extra special location. I'm at Sloss Furnace. Right now I'm down in the tunnels underneath. You hear all the water flowing in, it's pouring rain, but we're gonna film this place anyways, guys. They used to make pig iron here, and this place is massive. It is really cool, and we're gonna explore it. And I got my boy Tim from Breaking the Shell, and guys, this is gonna be epic. I'll leave a link down below for the history of this place so you can go read up on it if you want. We got a lot of exploring to do, guys. Follow us. You can see right here is where they would shovel in the coal to heat up the furnace. They say a lot of people would get sick and even die from heat exhaustion down in these pits shoveling all the coal in from how hot it was down here. Check out these pits here that they would burn underneath the furnaces. It looks like it has some kind of chute system that would drop perhaps coal or something down in here. Just look at all the industrial architecture here. This is some magnificent place. Here's one of these pits where you got the burners on both sides. Can you imagine the heat of being down in here, shoveling the coal? That would be an awful job, I would think. Wow, I just realized this little boardwalk we're on has been repurposed from old railroad tracks where the cars would go through here, probably delivering the coal for all the burners through here.
Brought into the boiler area.
This is just so cool, guys. Check out over here. Get like an up-close view of how these things look. And in between all these tanks here, one has a window on it. It's a lot of power. You see a crane sitting there. Really cool, old school looking piece of machinery. Looking at this, and then turning around, gives you a perspective of how big this place is. It is massive. This is just one of the several buildings. Check this out. All the pipes and valves and really cool stuff up here. And what's back in here? You can't see too far. It's really cool though. This is a nice view. Just seeing all the pipe work and steel. Check out the bricks around this furnace here. It's freaking crazy. We'll take a walk out here. Check out this catwalk. Offers a pretty good view out that way. The good sound of the train in the background coming. Just look how magnificent this place is. These little catwalks out here look pretty sketchy. It's a pretty good drop down if you were to fall from there. You see out there, some of them are starting to collapse. So I guess that's why they have this area off limits. Here's some old metalworking tools kind of hanging up here. Feel free to share down below if you know what some of these were used for. It's a pretty cool room here. Check this out. I'd love to have seen this place in its operation day. And that would carry the steel up to the top of the furnace. So some of the cars are just kind of halfway there, suspended. That'd make a lot of noise if one of them broke loose.
Oh yeah.
Guys, it's a long way down. Ooh, a whole bunch of switches. I love switches. They're stuck. They say there's tunnels down here, so let's go check it out. Definitely adds a very eerie ambiance down here with the echo, the water draining. It's a very cool place, guys. Blocking the way here is a large machine that would haul molten steel to these tunnels. If you look, the tunnels continue to go onward. Way on down through there. And they're flooded too. Very cool down here, guys. I feel like we're in an Indiana Jones movie. That is a cool looking tower. It was way up there. I got this one kind of opened up so you can see all these flywheels inside. It's pretty cool, guys. I like how they did this where they lifted the top open so you could see down in it. And over here, it's still closed off on its normal state. This is a very bouncy floor. Looks like we can go downstairs over here. Check out these old carts here. It's pretty cool. Going over here is some more of these old flywheels. You know what these were for? These are some kind of motors. What were
Blower motors.
blower motors? To blow air into the...
Yeah.
Okay. That is cool. Check all that out under there. Oh, wow. That is so cool, man. Oh, this looks cool over here. It's like some old meters and stuff. Look at the architecture in here. And that's a big crane that is hoisting that up. I'd hate to see that thing fail. It's all the way up there. All right, Tim, you were telling me a story about this flywheel right here.
Now, the story I was told when I was here last time is this particular flywheel, there was a guy that was standing here and he was just leaning against this and he got dragged into this flywheel.
Oh, wow.
So he was killed and crushed, pulled down into the downstairs where the flywheel goes.
Oh, wow. I wish we could get down there.
Yeah, before they had no cages here, and that's what happened. He got crushed and pulled in.
So that probably is why the cages are now here.
But these are massive.
Yes, they are. Look how big these wheels are. Looks like you can kind of climb up here and take a look. Oh, wow, you can walk in between them here. Take a look at this. These things are huge. I'd love to see them moving. That would be really cool. It's kind of dark in here, but at least we got a flashlight. Big shout out to Andy's Journeys for sending me this nice flashlight. Hell yeah, Andy. Look at this laid out here. Who in the world would pick this up and operate it? And guys, I'm just kidding. I know it was probably used by some kind of machinery, but still a very cool freaking crescent wrench. See some of the gears down in there. I've climbed up a set of stairs here. You can just see all the rain falling down there. Up here above all these flywheels. Oh, that's one of like counterbalance spinner thingy. That is cool. Now on the bottom side, you can get a closer view of these gears like you'd see in a transmission possibly. See this to that. Actually turn it a little bit. Oh, made some noise. Better stop. You see how tall the building is by looking up. It's a pretty big place. Definitely a very creepy and eerie ambiance as you walk through here on a cloudy day. It's definitely a really cool location, guys. I'm so happy I got to finally come see it. There's a smaller but still rather large flywheel with a big belt wrapped around it. And you got the motor here that would drive this flywheel here, which I'm not sure exactly what its function was, but some internal parts here. It's like an old train wood flywheel. This piston would rotate it back and forth. That's pretty cool, guys. Oh, just bumped my head. Watch your sore head. Check out this other big wrench right here.
I'm dropping that on your foot.
That would hurt. Check out these gauges here. Very articulate. You got the red light up here that I guess would go off if something was going wrong. And then all these gauges. Crosby from Boston. It's pretty cool. Almost like a drafting table here. This looks even creepier on night vision. Figure I'd at least get this perspective on the night vision here. It's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. It's a nice 7.5 ton box crane up here. And there's the big hook. Imagine bumping your head on that thing. We are now inside the powerhouse, the home of raw power.
That's a cool shot.
It is so beautiful. I just can't get over just the architecture of this place. How magnificent it is. Some sort of turbine type engine. It's had some breakages here. Man, these electric motors are something else. Just look at all the machinery back in there. A lot of power generated from here. This one has seen better days. Or maybe that's what they normally look like inside. I don't know. Looks like it jammed up and just went all to hell. This piece even broke clean off. This place is a hoot. Another box crane here, just above our heads. You can see it's a pretty big hook. That would do some damage, for sure. Some kind of cool looking machinery. I'm turning the wheel, but I don't know what it's doing. Here's where the controls for all the raw power is. I feel like I have so much power in my hands. Backside? That's what, never mind.
It's got a bunch of junk in its trunk.
That's what she said, wait till you see the backside. Look at all these ceramic things here, porcelain, whatever they are.
Light on, I can't see real well. There we go.
Wow. You imagine all the static charge in here when this was powered up? That'd be a terrifying place to stand in.
Yes.
Because, I mean, one wrong move and you're like cooked.
Well, they say what the electric fields give you that eerie feeling like you're being watched anyway.
Yeah. Make you paranoid. Crazy, man.
That looks like the wiring underneath that 1800s mansion.
It does. It sure does. This is a pretty cool device. I'm not sure what it was used for. Feel free to comment down below. Grinding wheel, maybe? Oh, yeah. I bet so.
Use this, put it on here to lock it into place.
Yeah.
It's a grinder.
Take some skin off of you. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour of Sloss Furnace. This place is one of the most epic places I've ever been. I really have enjoyed it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. It's really rainy and nasty, so it's hard to get a lot of good outside stuff, but this place is still epic, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you want to support the channel, go down below to do it. And go check out Tim from Breaking the Shell. So, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.